Hello students, in this video, we will learn machine learning and its types. Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence, AI, that enables computers to learn from data and make decisions without being explicitly programmed. Instead of telling a computer exactly what to do, step by step, we give it lots of examples and it learns patterns to make predictions or decisions. Let's understand types of machine learning. Supervised learning. In supervised learning, the computer learns from labeled data, meaning each example in the training set has an answer. The computer finds patterns in the data and makes predictions. Just like you have a set of fruits with labels, red, round, sweet is an apple, yellow, long, soft is banana, like that. Supervised learning widely used for spam email detection, face recognition on phones, and many more. Unsupervised learning. Here, the computer is given data without labels. It tries to find hidden patterns or group similar things together without knowing what they are. Imagine a shop owner has customer data but doesn't know their buying habits. The computer can group similar customers together based on their purchases, helping the shop owner understand different customer types. Reinforcement learning. In this type of learning, the computer learns by trial and error. It tries different actions and gets rewarded or punished based on the result, just like a video game player learning to score more points. Machine learning is used everywhere, from social media recommendations to self-driving cars, making our lives easier and smarter.